Okay? So, COPD is poor ventilation, poor quality of air that we are inhaling.
Hindi naman picture yun.
So, chronic. Nursing aid can assist in patient with COPD by paying close attention to nutrition encouragement, especially the fluids. Meron ba kayo?
Wala.
Can I have one? Can somebody give me the notes?
Wala.
Last is the station.
Tapos may isang notes na hindi pa, dati kasi iba yung ano, naibigay. Kaya kinuha ulit yan kasi nagdoble. Exam na nga. Kailangan pa ng notes.
Sa diabetes po kami ngayon.
Ang diabetes sa COPD pa nga lang.
COPD pa lang tayo, mag-start pa lang tayo ng COPD. Are you sure? Ang gulo. Tapos ka na na diabetes
Also, this is the original one.
Yeah.
This is what these Berberine ones, right? So, that's why she told me that COPD is the last thing.
Yeah, that's the only last part that you have.
Yeah. Because this is the notes
Kasi
the
kayo.
office give me, and it's a lot. They got impaired vision, impaired hearing.
Plansya ng buhok.
Habang may klase, nagpa-plancha.
Ito may saksakan dito.
Muna ako ha. Ito. Sigurado na ha.